Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Tahir Javed, SS Pakistan Studies in DPS in Inter College Sahiwal. I welcome you in online classes at DPS and Inter College Sahiwal. Let's start our today's lesson.
Today our topic is faults and their types. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain the faults and their types. Faults, definition and its causes. Definition. Big cracks or clefts in the Earth's crust are known as faults. Movement in tectonic plates. Because of these cracks, lithosphere is divided into big and small parts. These parts are moving continuously because there are molten rocks beneath them. Due to the motion of tectonic plates, the cracks have extended hundreds of miles deep. These cracks form the boundaries between tectonic plates. These cracks are seen in the form of centers of volcanoes and earthquakes. Why these tectonic plates are moving? These tectonic plates are moving due to the molten matter present in the interior of the earth. Volcanism. What is volcanism? The eruption of a hot semi-solid matter, which is called magma, from the surface of the earth is known as volcanism. Ring of fire. Pacific plate is surrounded by volcanoes. Most of the earthquakes occur in this area because it is surrounded by cracks. Therefore, it is also known as ring of fire. What is fault zone? Usually the faults are formed in weak area. The area where a fault forms is known as fault zone. The crack present in fault zone is called fault line. Types of faults. There are three types of faults. Number 1, normal fault. Number 2, transform fault. Number 3, reverse fault. Now we shall explain these types of faults one by one. Number 1 is normal fault. In normal fault, parts of the crust move in opposite direction. Due to the removal of upper layers, lava comes out through the weak portions of earth and volcanic eruption occurs. You can see in the picture the movement of the tectonic plates. These plates are moving in opposite direction. Next is transform fault. when piece of plates move forward and backward direction, they rub against each other. Such type of fault is called transform fault. In this fault, no part of the earth moves up or down. You can see in the picture the two plates are moving in forward and backward direction and they are rubbing to each other. Reverse fault. Reverse fault occurs when plates move towards each other. As you can see in the picture, the two plates are moving to each other. Due to the pressure between plates, earthquake and eruption of volcanoes occur. In this way, the plates come close to each other and usually mountains are formed. So mechanism of mountain formation is also due to the reverse fault. In this fault, when the plates moves towards each other and pressure build between the plates and mountain formation occurred. Recapitulation and home assignment. Question number 1. Write answers briefly on your notebooks. Define faults. Big cracks or clefts in the earth's crust are known as faults. What is fault zone? The area where a fault forms is known as fault zone. Which area is called ring of fire? Pacific plate is surrounded by volcanoes. Most of the earthquakes occur in this area because it is surrounded by cracks. Therefore, it is known as ring of fire. Write the names of types of faults. There are the three types of faults. Number 1 is normal fault. Number 2, transform fault. Number 3, reverse fault. Question number 2. Write a detailed answer on the types of faults. Now our today's lesson is ended. I hope you will enjoy this lesson. Take care. Okay, Allah Hafiz.